Alright, good morning to you guys. Good morning, wonderful people. As this is the voice of King David Samson. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how you can design the trending anniversary um layer design. Alright, so like I'll say, you come to your size, image size, then you are going to use 2500. You get 2000 here, then 2500 here. Okay, so this is it. Now what I will do next is to bring in a shape. That's our background, sorry. Now this is our background. Okay, so I'm going to increase this so that it fit. I'm going to do this way, then do this way. So our background fits now. Okay, so from here, make sure it's in the middle. Alright, so having done this, what we'll do next is to pin it. You get, is to pin it. Now don't forget our background color. Let us just select our background color as white. You get why? Understand? Let's just select it as white. That means we will unlock this and remove it. You see the background color is white. You get why the sun is still there. So let us lock it. Now next thing you want to do is to bring in your image. You get, now just watch closely. Maybe your image, this one, just size this one, and then in this field we are going to just rotate it a little bit, and then we are going to increase the size. Understood? We're going to increase the size. So yeah, let's increase it. And let us do some editing. We're going to use sorry, we're going to erase some parts into this ones here. We're going to erase them. Understand? We're going to erase them. So let us erase this one. Okay, this one. Okay. So let's erase this one here. Let's erase this one here. Let's erase it. Okay. Alright, so when you are done erasing, it will be this way. Then we're going to put your image like this. Get, I'm going to put it like this. So now you click on the image, you're going to add color effect to it. Saturation, you're going to increase the saturation. You get, you're going to increase the saturation. Then let's try this here. No, you should not touch it. Do this here, and then the saturation that you are going to touch. You're going to touch, understand? So don't do too much. Let us reduce it a little bit. So this is okay. The next thing I want to do is to bring in our 11. That is 11 on the last one. Get. So this is it. This is it. Right, so we've gotten it this way. We are going to change the color. Change the color to a color that is not even on the background at all. You understand? So I'll change it to this color. Okay, once I change to this color, I'm going to crop it. Watch carefully. I'm going to crop it. Right, and I'm going to erase this one here. Sorry, I'm going to erase that one small thing that is showing there. I'm just going to erase it. I'm going to erase this one here. Okay. So that will just give me the one that I want. Then increase the size, increase it, and then it's okay. It's okay this way. Okay, still increase it. It's okay this way. Right. Yeah, it's okay this way. So what we want to do next is to copy it, and then put it together like this. Right. Yeah, I think this one too is okay like this. Okay, let us push it a little bit more like this, and this one let us move it inside. Now let's put it this way. Let's put it this way. Now what we want to do is to merge them together. you get, you merge this background text and then these two, merge them together. Okay, merge them together. Now see what I'll do here now. Just what I'll do now. Come to this erase, click on the erase color. Sorry, come to this erase color, then click on the middle one, click on this pick one, then select this purple color. Once you select it, it will automatically clean. So I'm just going to, sorry, should not take it too much, so when you click on the erase color, the purple disappear. Understand? Purple disappear. Let's leave it like this. We will leave it at 15 tolerance. Understand? You can just add smooth one. We leave it at 15 tolerance and then we're good to go. So now the next thing I want to do is to bring in our other resources, like this one, these two of them here. So I'm going to enable it, and here we are going to increase it. Yes, no, not too much. Just going to increase it this way. Right. So now once you've done it this way, let's take it to the back. Select it, then take it to the back. Okay, now let's position it here. Right. Okay, I think this is okay. Then let's take it up. Okay, yeah, so this is okay. Now what I'll do next is I'll bring in my background again, that same background that I used before. I'll bring in the background, right? So once I bring in the background, I'm going to increase it. And then make it stay in the shape just like before. You understand? Now I'm going to take it to the back. Just select it like this, right? Make sure it's in the middle. Select it, then to back. You get, so you're taking it to the back now. Now what we do next is to click on this space, this one here, select it, and then you copy again. Yeah, now what we want to do is that we want to make it to feel like we want to blend it together with this thing here. Understand? So now what we do here now is we crop this one. Let's see what I'll use this one to do now. I'm going to crop this one, and then make sure it's like this. Okay, make sure it's this way. Then we're going to take it to the back. Just select it like it's already selected, then click to the back. Then move it to the front. So this is what we do now. You see it here? Just move it down. Then move it down again. Move it down. Okay. So we're going to take it up so that it can fill up. You understand? So you take it to the back and then you move it up. You get, so that is how we actually do it. You understand? That's how we do it. So you enable it. The next thing you want to do is to bring in our another one like this one now. Just select it, go to erase color, alright, and select black. Now the code, listen carefully. The first code is 5. Get, the first code is 5. So do well to watch the video complete so you can get other codes. Understand? So this is it. Put it here. Alright, so next thing I want to do is to bring in our this one here. Okay, I just a little bit, and then I select it, then I increase it. I actually reduce this, right, and then keep it this way. Okay, now let's see if you can rotate it a little bit like this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So you do it this way. Do it this way. Okay. So now, next thing I want to do is to click on this my add button, bring in this image again, this one again, right? Now see what will happen here now. See what will happen here. I'm going to erase color. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to erase color. Sorry, I'm going to erase color. I'm going to increase it this way, and then I'm just going to erase all these ones here. You understand? I'm just going to increase. You see why I'm actually erasing them now. You see why I'm erasing them now. You see it. You see why I'm erasing them. Okay. You don't need these ones. See why I erased it this way. Now the reason why I'm erasing it like this now is so that we can actually put it up here, so that to be also like show that their head is there. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. See it. You can see. You still have to increase it, and then put it so that to you see it bar. You can see as if their head is still like trying to show, you get. But this time around we are going to make it transparent. You get. You're going to make it transparent this time around. So how do we do that? We go to our opacity, and then we're going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce it. You get. You're going to reduce it. I think it still needs to come down. Yeah. So this one is okay for the gear. So this, we are still going to erase it. We erase this part. Erase this part. Just erase it. Just erase it. Okay. Just erase it. Alright. So that is that for that. That's that for that. So the next thing we want to do is to bring in our shadow effects. The next thing I want to do is to bring in the shadow effect. I'll go to my photo room. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I know some people they didn't believe that they can actually use Pixellab to create something like this. Maybe like it's impossible. But then don't say it's impossible yet. You just have to be very creative. Understand? You just have to be very creative. Alright. So don't forget to subscribe too, please. Comment, share it too. Share it. Why is it not loading now? Okay, go to our photo room. And then I'm going to pick our shadow effect. Right, this is it. So I'm going to change the color to for that. So you are going to select this one, right? This one that we just decrease the opacity. You are going to select it, right? You are going to take it to the back. You are going to click on to the back, right? Okay, not back, but I think it's okay. You should leave it like this, so you should still take it to the back, like to the back of this merge image. Yeah, this is it to the back. Then you just try and position it well. You get. This is actually it. Okay, so after that, you see this our effect. I'm going to change the color to color that will actually rhyme with the background. Let's see, something like this. Something like this. This is it. You can just put it here. You can just put it here, right? Then decrease the opacity. Also going to copy it and then put it here. Change the color to this one here, something like this. You understand? Change the color to this one here. You're also going to copy it. Also put it here. Copy and then put it. This guy you have to come. This guy you have to come out first. You're going to put it here. Alright. So you're just going to put it together here. So now you are going to click on this one here. Copy it. Change the color to this one that we used before. Then put it here. You get, I think if you change it to somehow, it should still be red. Somehow red. You understand? Alright, so this is okay. So I'm going to select them and then I'm going to put them to the front. So the second code is 4. You understand? Second code is 4. When you put them to the front, I'm going to select this shadow again. Copy it. Change the color to black. And change it to black. Right? We're going to go to our 3D effect. And then we are going to turn it this way. So I see it's lying on the floor. You understand? So I'm going to decrease the opacity. Then select the man, take it to the front. Alright, so we are almost done. You're almost done. You can see that we are achieving this with just Pixellab. It's really amazing, right? Really amazing. So what I'll do next is I'm going to select this man. I'm going to copy it. Now copy it. I think I'll be needing another copy again. You get. Now see, watch out what I'll do here. Now I'm just going to go to color filter. Right, I'm going to change it to black. You get. So once I change it to black, I'm going to leave this way. Since you won't delete this one, and then just copy this one. You understand? So that I'm not stress ourselves. Once I select this, we are going to go to erase color. Right, erase color. Then erase all these ones here. Now your designing has to be very creative. Alright, I saw this flyer online. I was like, how did they achieve this? Like, I was wondering how did they achieve this? Understand? Like, this is just pure creativity. I didn't know the actual name of the designer because they didn't show it. Like, the person didn't come out that he was one that actually designed it. I think it's from their design team also. So he didn't really show it. So we are going to put it in this eye, her eye side. We are going to put it there. That's why we are using it. So you put it in our eye side. Alright. So now we are going to also erase this. So I learned how they actually achieve this, and I see that I will share it with you guys. You understand? So just going to erase this, the guy, erase this. Alright, so now once you are done watching the video, you might not be able to start immediately. So just start one anyway you just watch. At the beginning point you watch, then you go back to your video, your software or your Pixellab or any software you're using, then design, then come back and watch again. Understand? So that you'll not be lost. I'm just trying to make it easier for you people to understand now. You get. So I think this time you still have to reduce the size. Last time you have to reduce the size, then position it well. Alright, I think with this is enough. Right, so now we are going to write in our text anniversary. So we're going to increase it. right? Now you are going to use the font that you know it will be like okay. So me now I'm using these fonts here. All right, I'm using this font here. Choose sense regular italic. Sorry, what am I saying? No, I'm going to use this one. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. Aristocrats. I'm going to change the color to white. Right, I'm going to change it to white. Then I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to put it up here. Okay, I'm going to put it up here. You know, there's like a line there. You understand? So we don't want people to actually see that it's a line. You understand? This design might not be perfect, might not look exactly like the original one, right? But then you get some things. You understand? You get some things. You get, so that's just it. That's just it. Okay, I think we should just bring it down. You get, I think we should just bring it down. And I don't want this line to be obvious. You get, I don't want it to be obvious. So let's just select it. Let's select it. Let's select this our black and white. Let's just no. You should not select this. So let's just increase it. Right. Increase it. Then let's select this other one here. Then bring it down. You bring it down. You get. So once you bring it down, you select the other one. Right. Then you bring it down also again. You understand? So that you can put our anniversary well. You get, so that you don't seem that obvious of a thing. You understand? So that is how we achieve that. Alright. So now this anniversary is here. So next thing we want to do, so write in our text. I think the opacity for this one is still too much. We should reduce the opacity. Something like this. You get, which is sorry. Then this one is here. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is to write in our text. Alright, that's our pi and then pl. You get, I'm going to write in the text, and then I'm going to increase our size and bring it down so that we can move it. I'm going to change the font, right? I'm going to change the font to this font here, using regular italic. Then I'm going to change the color to not pure white. This is pure white, right? But let's reduce the white. Get why. Alright, so now let us increase it. So now we are just going to reduce it and then position it well. Right, so going to position it well. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. So now we're going to copy this and then bring it to the middle, bring it down, and then edit it to be just PL. Alright, so I'm just going to push it down. I'm going to push it down. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size. And position it in the right part. Okay, this one, two, oh sorry, the size of the center, you're going to reduce it and see to it that you position it well too. Up, shift it. You understand? So that is just it. That is it. You get, that is it. So now this is our guy here. We're going to bring it to the front so that it can be visible, and then it's here. It's here. Alright, so that is just that for that. So what else? I think that is basically everything. Now on the light, to add light effect, right? To add the light effect, we are going to Piscat to do that. So what we'll do now, we will just save our work. Alright, we just save our work. Okay, once you are done saving, we're going to go to Pixellab to do our edit there, to add our lights and everything. You understand? So do not forget to comment. Now you see that we actually did well. Don't worry, once you're done, you see we are going to compare it. Okay, we're going to compare it. So okay, so we are going to our Pixellab to edit the photo, to add the lighting and everything. You understand? So watch closely. The third number is 1. The third number is 1. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit image or video. All right, and then I'm going to select the our design, which is this one. Might not be as perfect, but then you just have to understand your concept. Okay, my storage is full. I have to free up some space. All right, so this is our image. Okay, so this is our image. So now we are going to bring in our lens flare. Okay, so we are going to pick this one. Let's pick this one. You get. So let's increase it. Then let's change it to yellow color. Yeah. Then we are going to rotate it this way. Right. Going to rotate it. Then position to it. Then increase it. Increase it very well. Oh, where is our? Where did it go now? Why is it not moving? So I'm just going to bring it this way. I'm going to bring it down. Okay, let us just reduce it. Let's reduce it. Okay, let's reduce it. And then we're going to bring it down here. Alright. I'm going to bring it down here. Let's rotate it so that it's still. I'm going to rotate it. Okay. So we're going to click on it. Click on duplicate. And then move it up here. For this one here. Alright. And then we're also going to click on duplicate. Click on it, click on duplicate. And then I'm going to position it here. For this one here. You get. Just take it up. Alright, so that is that for that. And then we're going to make sure it's blend to screen. Okay, so now what we'll do is to bring in our effect again. That's our shadow effect, but this time around, no, it's not here. Not here. So we're going to go to our add photo. Alright, so then we're going to our photo room so you can get it. Alright, so just search through. Just search through. So the fourth number is 0. Okay, the fourth number is 0. Alright, so these are just add 2 again. Let's add another one to be 3. Right, so go to click on this, blend it to screen, take it up here, reduce it a little bit. Okay, bring it up here. Let's increase it. Let's increase it. Bring it up here, and then increase again. Let's try and increase it. Okay, so this is good. Now this one, now we are also going to change it to blend it to screen. Then you're going to increase it. You're going to put it here. You get this one too. Blend to screen. Going to increase it. Going to also put it here. You get. Going to click on this layer. Click on this. Duplicate. No, you can't duplicate. love us to duplicate it. Alright, so after that is done, you just come here. Let's mark it. Just come here, right? These are two defects. Let's see if we can okay, I'm looking for the effect that we can actually use, or we can actually go to Snapseed to edit it. No, let's just save it from here. Let's just save it from here. Okay, let's just save it from here, and then we go to our Snapseed to edit it. So click on this, and then bring in our photo. Okay. Alright. So we are going to click on here, and then we are going to here structure. No, a little bit. And then we are going to click on sharpening. Right. Click on sharpening. Okay. After that, we are going to click on this brush here. Select saturation, reduce it. Then brush it this way. Brush it this way. Then I can smoothen it. Right. That is it. Okay, I think this is just perfect. This is just okay. So even though we didn't get the design perfectly, but then you just have to understand the whole concept, right? So the last number is 3. That is the last number. So do where to like, comment, subscribe. Why did you delete? You have to like, comment, subscribe, and follow. Also share too. You understand? Very important. I know some of you be like, how did they use Pixellab to create something like this? But then they can't understand. You just have to understand the whole concept. You get. So that is basically everything. Thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day. God bless you. So you save export as, and then you save. All right.